Hey guys, it's Miss O'Hara, and we are going to be learning about how to build with slabs in clay. All right, so that gray piece of clay is a slab, and we are going to learn slab buildings by building buildings. It can be a realistic building or an imaginary building. It can be realistic or abstract. It can be futuristic. Doesn't matter to me as long as you're making it out of slabs and it all stays together. Okay, so I'm going to make a very simple house. So I've got two ends of my house that are the same. So I'm going to cut the shape and then I'm going to trace the shape. So now I have two identical shapes. All right, now I'm going to make the side. So I'm going to square that up so that it's a good place, good clean thing to score when I need to slip and score it. And I put those two ends together so that I could make the side of it exactly the right shape. And I need two of them, so I traced it again. Now I'm going to score. Okay, slipping and scoring is how you attach things when you attach clay. So you can see I'm using my needle tool. You'll use a paper clip and you're going to mess it up and mess it up and mess it up, and that is nice and scored. Now I'm putting the water on it to make the slip, and the slipping and the scoring together is how you make clay glue. And I'm ready to stick it all together, and my house is now becoming a form, which is a 3D shape. I got most shapes together to make a form. Now I'm using coils. We've used coils before, but not like this. I'm putting coils at the corners where I attach slabs in order to make it stronger, and then I'm using my fingers to smooth that out on the inside so that my four walls stay together. All right, so next up is I've got the roof. So I'm going to lay that right on top and cut it to size. And now I'm cutting the angle at the top. Okay, I'm doing the scoring again and again doing the scoring where it's going to attach. Slip that all up, okay, and put it together. All right, now I'm going to turn it so it's easier. Lay that other piece on, cut it to size, and now I'm cutting that angle again. Those two angles are going to let me put that together really nice and tight. So we're doing all the scoring, and we're scoring where it attaches to, and the water for slip. And now I've got my house all the way together. All right, now it's time to start adding some details. And these are just examples. I want you to imagine your own details and maybe do something I didn't think of. So now I'm going to make a door. You see I can make two cuts and open it up, and then it looks like I have a little open door. Here I decided to put like a sliding glass door. So I'm taking the lines like a door, and then I'm opening the part that's open. Now I'm adding texture, okay? So I'm using lines to add a roof texture, okay? I want you to really explore and think about what kind of textures you can add to your building, what kind of textures make sense for your building to have so that you're really communicating with your viewer. All right, now I'm going to add some details just by drawing with my needle tool. You can use paperclip, that's absolutely fine. All right, and I'm just going to add details to my house, mostly just windows because I chose a very realistic, simple house, but you certainly don't have to. Yours can be from outer space, I don't care. All right, happy slab building.